For a stock trading in triple digits, a gain of 29.25% is quite remarkable. Intraday high in this session for Oracle stock is 322.61. This is Wednesday, the 10th of September, 2025, pre-market session. In the post-market session of yesterday, the 9th, the company disclosed its earnings outcomes and they missed Wall Street's targets. However, the company revealed a significant increase in its backlog of contracted work, indicating intense demand for AI servers in the cloud. Supporters argue that this backlog, combined with rising demand for AI powered cloud services, positions Oracle as an increasingly relevant player in the AI and cloud computing race, potentially narrowing the gap rather the gap between it and the likes of Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Bulls emphasized the company's growing role in powering AI workloads, noting partnerships and multi-cloud flexibility as competitive advantages that could drive years of compounding growth. Others, on the other hand, mostly skeptics, caution that backlog accounting can be misleading and question whether the company's long-term revenue projections are realistic in such a competitive space. Bears also warned that the market may be pricing in too much AI optimism too soon, raising the risk that Oracle's rally may be more of a bubble than fundamentally sound one, more of a bubble than a fundamentally sound one. Okay, so regardless of all of that, we have seen this intraday high. We know it now. It is an upper projection, 322.61. Coming back, we see what's going on. Okay, let's see. The extrapolation is saying that this is the extrapolation of its three-period moving average based on this 4-hour chart. It's indicating that we're going to get a slight contraction going all the way towards the close of today's trading session. And then after that, the uptrend may resume or will resume and maybe may peak by in the interim within a very short time, may peak by on the 17th of Wednesday the 17th, and then we may have a contraction again. This is just an extrapolation. There's no guarantee that that will be the case. If we don't have upper projections here, we are still going to refer to this 322.61. We don't have any here. We have a downward projection here. It's saying 232.57. Buying pressure is easily ramped up. Yes, nothing here. Okay, we just have a negative second derivative on this 21 period moving average, indicating that yes, indeed, some the bullish trend has lost some of its steam, has lost some of its edge. Hence, probably the reason why we have this extrapolation saying that it's going to decline from the open. It's going to begin to decline from midday today, the 10th, up till the close of today's trading session. Once again, no guarantee that that will be the case. Yeah. Let's see what we have on the 1 minute chart in terms of projections to see if we have any validation of 322.61. Let's see what we have here. We have 312, 311, 311, nothing like that. No 322 here. We have 316.76, 314.86. Let's see. Let's see whether we can find anything of that sort. And then 322. Okay, we have 320.19. Okay, 322.21. We may find even something higher than that. 308.77. Let's see. Let's see whether we have anything of that. Okay, we may have to shift a bit to see whether we can find anything. Okay, we may not have any here. Let's have a look at the 2 minute chart. We have seen 322, but not greater than 322.67. Let's see what we have here. 316.76, 319.5. Okay, I don't think we have anything like that. we have seen 322 already, so we can still hang on to that as well. Let's have a look at the 3 minute chart. Yeah, we do. We have 320.59, 324.39, 326.75. So there wasn't any doubt about this. It was just we just wanted to see whether if there was any other validation, or anything beyond it, and we have seen it on the 3 minute chart here on our trading view. So yeah, that's how things are at the moment. Let's see how liquid this market is. I mean, going by this gain of 29.5%, it has to be surely the stuff of aggression. Let's have a look. Okay, 55.569 million shares have crossed the tape. Okay, this is, yeah, 5 point, what was it? No, sorry. 250,000 volume 400. Okay, not up to 500,000 shares have crossed the tape so far. So surely it is, it's definitely a lot of, it's possibly the stuff of aggression. Let's come down to the 4 hour chart. We might see what's going on there. Yeah, I can see that not a lot. Yeah, not a lot of shares. So aggression is definitely behind what we're looking at right now. Aggression. Surely you can see not a lot of not a lot of stock is really going through. It's not it's quite an expensive stock. It's quite an expensive stock. So it wouldn't be out of place to see scanty lots going through. Okay, just have a look and see what you make of our Oracle stock, and I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.